green, but now it's blue. I'm a phenom, feed lies to the youth. Still rock the cream, feed lies with the strings loose. Don't think of me when you mention these nigga poops, I'm the truth. Hit you with legal nukes, you go hula hoop through a fruit loop. The root of all evil's the love of loot, but brothers wasn't moved. Stacks of hundreds in the duffel, you look lovable. We ran off to be a couple, cause that's what true lovers do. Fuck with no rubbers in the W. Can't trust motherfuckers above the room. Once you get comfortable and remove your running shoes. Run through these new dudes like some food, don't get stuck in your tubes. I can smell the blood in the pool, coming from wounds. Change the color of the lagoon, hun, I'm becoming cruel. Nothing's new under the sun and moon. It's rough where I'm from, you might wanna take the gun to school. Only a fool would assume that these thugs will adjust the rules. I'm sorry to bust your bubble, but I'm a stubborn mule. Fly your head like a kite. Stretch the white when your bread light. Breath is life. They ain't salute Max until they gave him 75. What good is the credit if you can't get it while you alive? Niggas love to dick ride when you die. It says props, it ain't a blowjob, my guy. Pops is wise, watch you idolize. You know what they say about an idle mind, so don't hop over the rifle line. Nigga. When it was 17 a gram, if you shave it right, you can make a yard. Mix the A with the baking soda to make it hard. Michael Goyard on the scarf, that's a star. I play my hands like a card sharp, pomades are hearts. Made my mark without taking part in the dark arts. We don't partake in any cake that's made with bacon lard. In any shape or form, they some bras playing gangster law. Chains on like whores, put makeup on they flaws. If your source is abroad, then we all on the same accord. No change of coin can put these boys on this train of thought.